What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Sneaker Circle. It's your boy Danny back with a new mic, so hopefully a better sound. If not, I'm gonna have to readjust. So in front of us today, we do have one of the 50 exclusive Off-White dunks that did release. Now, I got super lucky on these. I managed to personally hit on my account, but this is a pair my fiance managed to hit on her account. She bought these for me, so much love to my girl. Love her. And let's just, I haven't even like opened these yet. I haven't really tried to dive deep to see like what colorway I got. I wanted to do this directly on camera. I'm hoping for something that has like a bit of burgundy in it, maybe a bit of blue. If it isn't lot 1 or 50, those are ideals, but I'm pretty sure my time frame didn't get those because I didn't get them last week. Last week was devastating for me, but let's just get straight into this and let's do this slow. So, unopened box. I took off the stickers and everything, so you won't see my Addy. Oh man. Ooh, that adhesive came off easy. Ooh man. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Let's just get this out. Man, yo, this is cool, but I can't front. I hate this exclusive access concept. I just hate it. It's too much stress. It is just too much stress. Now, I want to get into the box. I'm going to get into everything, but let's take a look at the lot. So I got lot 4. Oh, snap. Okay. I don't know what that looks like. I'm really hoping to own at least one leather canvas and one leather suede combo, at least. If not, I'll probably trade for it, but let's just, God, I really don't want anything neon. I really don't want anything neon. Damn, okay. Yo, okay. Okay, now, leather canvas, boys, let's go. Yo, I'm hyped. I got the teal, the Tiffany blue laces, and a black tongue. That black tongue, oh my God. All right, I'm gonna get these out the box. We're gonna take a quick look at the box and I'll show you all the details about the shoe. All right, so I'm back with the box. I adjusted the mic just a little bit, so if I'm a little bit louder, I'm sorry. I adjusted the camera just to because I felt like everything was just blown out. And yo, I'm just gonna get straight into this box and then the shoes. So we do have that tryptophobia box with the holes everywhere and the plastic. I mean, it's cool. He's been doing that for a good while now, so nothing to be shocked about. I do like that this isn't like a shiny version of the dunk box, kind of like his first set of dunks. This is something that feels a little more creative, you know? We got this plastic right here that can peel off. I'm gonna peel it off. Why not? Boop. So you can like stick your little finger in there. Here we have that size and everything. So the lot colorway is also there. This does have the $180 pricing instead of the $150, so I'm pretty sure, I think all the leather canvas pairs are gonna have that price. I just have that feeling inside. And all the suede leather joints are probably gonna be $150 because I feel like these leather canvas joints just have a little bit more care and quality to them. There's that sticker right there, and like sportswear. We have all the lots right here, 50 in total. Your boy's definitely not getting all of them. Basic stuff. The paper on the inside is pretty basic as well, so I'm not going to show that because it's standard with Off-White stuff nowadays. Now we have the shoes. Now the shoes. It's got to be the shoes. I love these. I really do. I'm so happy I got a colorway that I like, man. I'm so happy. So this is one of the canvas leather pairs that I was talking about a little bit earlier. Here we have a good look at it, and I must admit the leather on this isn't bad. It does remind me of the leather on his first pair, like the first 2019 pairs, except this leather and canvas pair that have something that I didn't know. So no mesh canvas, but on the tongue it's canvas as well, but on the inside it's leather. So it's a really soft leather on the inside. It's thin, but it's soft. And then you have like a creamsicle leather interior right here. Little thread popped out. Get that out of the way, please. Like, let me just show you this leather right here. It's nice. It really is nice. If I could get it to focus, but just like touching it, it's gonna be a really nice like summer shoe, you know? And this is called the Dear Summer Collection, 1 to 50. Here's that 0 out of 50. Nothing on the interior. I didn't think I was gonna like this, but now that I see it like in person, it's molded to the shoe. It's not just like an attach on. It's not gonna like peel off. It's a part of the sole, and I dig that. I really dig that. Here we have the text on the inside. So Nike, Beaverton, Oregon. I'll show you the other one in a second. Nice and metallic. I really do like that instead of just plain black text. I'm seeing like a little bit of like red stains right here. So this is probably a material that's gonna get like stained, but who cares? If you get these for retail, just who cares, you know? Taking a quick look, the tongue is a little different. So you have that vintage Nike tag right there that he's been using lately. I think you see that on like a lot of his like blazers and stuff. Or I just think all his shoes, realistically, all his non-Air Jordan Nike shoes. Black tongue ends right here. You can see that little separation, if I can show it on camera. I'm just too busy looking at the shoe, honestly. Another little glimpse at that leather. Dude, it's just so nice. And I really love the Tiffany blue laces. Here we have the black hang tag that comes with it. Now these are supposed to match the tongue. So if I just give you a quick right there, let me see if I could get it to like show what it says. It's just like the Off-White with the hands in the face, kind of like the box. Lot 04 out of 50. Super hard to see, but no Nike branding on here. So if you get a pair of these and it has Nike branding on the hang tag, you played yourself. I hope you didn't spend too much. Have that face on the insole, and then we have a hand on this one right here. Super dope. Let me put you down. And let's just take a look at this one. So right here we have that interior text. Off-White for Oregon, USA, 1985. But better look at that leather, because this is a little creased right here. So this is how the leather is gonna crease, and it's nice. This is gonna be that one type of shoe that just looks better the more you wear. So let me I'm gonna go grab my other Off-Whites, the ones from 2019, and I'll compare that leather versus this one. So I'll be right back. So here we have the UNLV and then the 50, the lot 4 out of 50. Leather's pretty similar. I can't front. Leather's like crazy similar. I love how just one sleeve of mine's showing and not the other one. Tongue's different. Tongue's completely different. For this one, it's all leather on the top, and then that mesh on the back. So the suede and leather joints are gonna have like a mesh liner like this. So just the regular liner that we're used to on Off-Whites. If I can ever focus in, there we go. Look at my crusty nails. And then one thing they did different is on this one, the Off-White is stamped on top. On this one, it's stamped under the swoosh. So I like this variation a little bit better. It feels a little more ingrained in the shoe and less like just like a whoosh. So that's that little comparison. Besides that, there's nothing else. This is obviously an all leather shoe. This is canvas and leather. I'm really digging the canvas. I can't front. The canvas is a nice little touch. Let me get these out of here. All right, so before I end the video, just one last little look around. Let me show you right here. And feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Did you get these? Did you hate these? How do you feel about this release? Are there any lots you're hunting for, or did you hit and manage to get the exact lot you wanted? For me, it was definitely lot 8 that I had my eyes on. I really liked that burgundy. I liked any of them that had that red burgundy detail on them, whether it was a lace or a tongue. I like the purple lilac ones too. Those are dope. Those are crazy dope. So quick close up right here. Right there. Let me show you the canvas, followed by the laces and that special tongue right there with the little hole inside. That nice gray sole, that back Nike. Super clean, bro, super clean. I guess a thing I didn't touch upon is that yellow tag right there. It's different for everybody, so that's cool too. I don't really like the yellow, but I'll take it. It's not gonna bother me none. I also don't like how this is like a gradient, like just a mix of colors. I wish it was just one solid color, but again, I'm not gonna let that bother me. These are for the toe. Follow me on Instagram, because when I get the second pair or third, surprise, surprise, whatever pair I get, I'm not gonna like see what colorway it is. I'm just gonna unbox them live. So follow me on Instagram at the Sneaker Circle. If you don't follow me already here, or you're subscribed on YouTube, please feel free to. I really appreciate it. I really like the little community that's been growing. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, drop a comment down below. I'll help you out. Now, it's gonna be really tricky to legit check these because of just how they released. So if you're buying these off of someone, definitely ask for just anything that they can provide. So I'm looking for 3 emails. The first email telling me you got them, order was placed or whatever. The second one saying here's your payment or overview, and then the third one saying like you're looking for your order and then the tracking. I want all 3 of those details if I'm personally gonna get these off of anybody. If they do not have that, or if they picked up lot 1 or 50 from like an OffWhite, that's just something you have to take into consideration. But if anything from like lot 2 to lot 49, I'm looking for those details. If you do not have those details, I'm not gonna trust it, and I'm not gonna spend the money. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace. Really appreciate anyone who's tuned out, and let's just catch you in the next one. Ciao.